Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into inspiring flower bed designs for your patio and creating a stunning outdoor oasis. If you're ready to turn your patio into your favorite spot at home, grab a notebook, and let's get started. First, let's set the foundation. Raised flower beds add height and dimension to your patio while improving soil drainage. For a clean, polished look, use materials like wood, bricks, or natural stone. Pathways guide the eye and create flow in your design. Use gravel, pavers, or stepping stones to create inviting walkways. Vertical elements like trellises and arbors not only save space but also create a sense of height and elegance. They're perfect for climbing plants like roses or wisteria. Now, let's add the wow factor. A small fountain or a pond introduces soothing sounds and a sense of tranquility. Layering mulch in your flower beds keeps moisture in and weeds out. For evening vibes, install soft lighting, think string lights, lanterns, or solar-powered pathway lights. Herb gardens are practical and aromatic. Outdoor rugs can define seating areas and add warmth. And hanging planters or a vertical garden. Perfect for small patios. Don't forget an irrigation system to keep all your plants thriving. A simple drip irrigation setup can save you time and water. And that's it. With a little effort and creativity, your patio can become a stunning outdoor oasis. If you loved this transformation, hit the like button, subscribe for more design tips, and let us know your favorite part in the comments below. Happy decorating! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.